Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and today we're making the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich in an air fryer. Air fryers make the most gooey, cheesy grilled cheese sandwiches on the planet, the fastest and easiest foolproof way. This video is sponsored by Dreo air fryers. To make the ultimate grilled cheese, you need cheese. I am defining ultimate today as a whole lot of different cheeses. Any cheese you happen to have in your refrigerator, I suggest you take it out. This is what I'm using. It might give you ideas. For the goo factor, I love a cream cheese. I'm gonna have a pop of orange with some shredded cheddar, and then a Mexican cheese blend, and 2 kinds of parmesan. Because that's what I had. Any kind you have is fine. And I'm lathering up the outside for that extra crunch with mayo. Because I'm a mayo girl, I've always loved mayo. I don't know, something about it. Or you can use butter. And besides being an ultimate grilled cheese, it's also an ultimate everything grilled cheese. Because I bought a generic bottle of the everything bagel spice. And I just love that. I'm using 2 really big slices of sourdough bread because I love sourdough with cheese. And first step is preheating your air fryer. So with your air fryer plugged in, tap the power button. Press the heat control and it's going to show 400 degrees for 3 minutes. That's your preheat time. And press green for go. And while that's preheating, we have things to do. I'm putting the mayonnaise all over the outside of my bread. I grabbed a whole bunch. Everywhere the mayonnaise hits is going to be a great bite, so it's going everywhere on both slices of bread. Don't be chintzy with your mayonnaise. You're going to like the flavor. Oops! Yum. And for the cream cheese, you want to make sure it's soft. So if it's not, stick it in your microwave or something to get it soft. It needs a spreadable factor. 3, 2, 1. Ready. Done, chum. Now we're going to make the sandwich. Lay your bread with your mayonnaise or your butter on top of the grill inside. There. I'm putting my orange cheese on first. All over. Now my Mexican cheese. And if you have cheese slices, just use cheese slices. Whatever you got in your fridge is great. And now that Parmesan. This is shaved Parmesan. But you might have the grated Parmesan. I love it. And now you got to get your cream cheese there. How I do it is I sacrifice the hand and then spread it all over the bread. This gives it the extra goo factor, which I really love so much. And press. And at this part of the recipe, I'm going to add that everything spice. So give a really good sprinkle all around it. This is one of my favorite bites, is all of these spices when they get toasty, just like they're in your toaster for your bagel. It's raining confetti of everything bagel spice. Bing! When I'm cooking, I really like to have fun. I have fun cooking. Do you? Please make a comment and let me know. It's time to cook. So slide in the cooking basket right to your Dreo air fryer. Like that. Press the on button. And we're going to do the preset for fries. And we're going to move the temperature down to 350 degrees. Whoops. There we go. And we're going to set the timer for 8 minutes. I'm just pressing it down. We're going to go to 8. Done. And press on. I researched the internet and I found out air fryers can be even smaller on your counter and still pack maximum heat and maximum cooking. The Dreo air fryer is engineered with the highest, newest technology, so it has a maximum cooking size inside and a maximum heat. So it doesn't take up a lot of your counter space. If you don't have a kitchen, let's say you live in a dorm, or you have a kid that lives in a dorm, this is so great. They can cook almost every meal in an air fryer. It does everything. It comes with a recipe book, and it has 50 different recipes in it. I love browsing through that. You can see all the different things you or your kids in a dorm could make. So it makes a great back-to-school gift. When I got mine, it came right to my door, and I opened the box, and this is how it was packed. I wanted you to see how careful they pack it because they don't want anything to get damaged in shipping. They're really careful about that. It has some plastic, it has some packing material, then I opened it up and there was the air fryer. It came with instructions, a manual, and the recipe book, and a 5-year warranty too. And so I set it up on my counter. It came with a piece that goes on the bottom of your air fryer, so I installed that. Super easy, and it plugs into any electrical household outlet. Easy peasy. And in the middle of your cooking, when it's time to turn, it's gonna say shake. It said shake, and that's when you open it to flip, because you want an even brown and crisp on all the exterior of your grilled cheese. Back in it goes. And press the green button. Bing! This is the only air fryer I've ever seen with a reminder when you're supposed to flip it and shake it. I use that a lot for chicken and steaks and everything else I make in it. On the control panel is all the presets. It has 8 preset settings. It has one for french fries, steak, chicken, fish, bread, vegetable, a dehydrate setting, that's really cool, and a reheat setting. But with all the settings, like you saw me, you can always modify them, like my french fry setting, my grilled cheese sandwich. It takes in the air at the top and it expels it from the exterior. It's really warm out here. It cooks by 360 degrees of a super high energy heat, and that's how it gets everything so crispy. 3, 2, 1. Done, chum. It's not quite done. I want it even more crispy than that. So back in it goes, on, and I'm turning the heat up to 400 for another 3 minutes. And the reason I had to do that was I slathered so much mayonnaise on it. The mayonnaise is still like oozing out the top, so I mean, you don't have to put that much mayonnaise, I just did. On every setting that you do, it will give you a shake, and you could ignore it if you want or not. It's just gonna let you know, which I think is a great feature. And it's done. Oh yeah, now that's what we're talking about. Oh yeah. Hear the crunch. Oh yeah. And on my other side too. Let's cut it. A little greens for health purposes. Right down the middle. Oh yeah. Look at that. Delicious. Yum. Crunchy on the outside and beautifully melted on the inside. And to wash it, I just take out the bottom plate like this. I could do this in the sink, but wait, I'm gonna do it in my dishwasher. That's just how I do things. Easy. Done. Oh, yum. Time for the bite. Mmm. Huh. Wow. That's delicious. This is so delicious. Mmm. Look at that. That is the ultimate grilled cheese air fryer sandwich with the everything spice made from my Dreo air fryer. I know I should not be talking with my mouth full, but I wanted to let you know just how good and gooey and great this is. Wow. Click the link to get your Dreo air fryer. It is amazing. And kids, you can do this in your own room. I'm Rebecca Van. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like a grilled cheese sandwich. Because isn't that one of our very favorite recipes in all of the United States and the world? I'm gonna go and be my little mousey in my corner and have my union break and eat my sandwich. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Wow. Over the top. If you like this video, here are some more of really luscious great recipes right over there.